Good morning, everyone. Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today, this morning, early morning, 6:18 a.m. I've got to run to Chattanooga this morning. Let me close this sunroof. Thought I'd do a little freeway spin in the 2006 Lexus LS 430. I know I did a video a couple of months ago just kind of updating y'all on the car, but I thought I would just get a little freeway shot, see how she's doing on the interstate. I do have my little warning triangle on for low tire pressure and maintenance required, and I just got done pumping up the tires to 32 pounds each, but I've got to dig down below under the dash and reset the button, reset the system. I also need to reset the maintenance required because the oil has been changed. They just forgot to do it when we had it serviced. So I've got two little warning messages down here: maintenance required and low tire pressure. And actually I need neither. I'm in good shape. I don't know, I mean, any Lexus owner from 2006 and the old ones know that when you pump your tires back up to the correct tire pressure, it doesn't know to reset itself. There's a button way up here under the dash by my right knee that I actually press, and it will reset the light for me. And it only comes on when you get low. God, there's already a lot of traffic out here. Kind of surprised for a Saturday morning headed north out of Atlanta. We got some school buses out here. We must have some sporting events going on somewhere on a Saturday. This will be a 75-mile one-way commute, and all I'm going to do is pick up a medicine refill. It's a controlled substance that I've been taking for many years, and my doctor is in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I cannot get the refills outside of the state of Tennessee. A refill is non-transferable. It cannot cross state lines. So I have to make this trip once a month just to go pick up a refill. Now, of course, I could change doctors and find me one close to me in Chattanooga and down here near Atlanta, but I have been seeing this doctor for many years. He's done 2 of my 3 back surgeries. My back surgery in 2009 and my back surgery in 2018. So I don't want to switch doctors. So it's still reasonable enough for me to jump in the car and run up the road an hour and 10 minutes. And it's usually light traffic, and I usually can cruise right along pretty quickly and just get there and get home. So it's not a bad little trip. So all North Georgia country road. we on miles? 116, 395. Yeah, this old car doesn't get to get out on the freeway much and stretch its legs. It's my mom's car. She bought it new 18 years ago, and she literally just drives it to church, Bible study, pickleball, bridge, and bunko during the week. Ah, the good old retirement life. And she is a pokey driver. Pokey. So this thing probably hasn't been over 50 miles an hour in, I don't know, a couple of months. So I like to get it out here and stretch her legs a little bit. And she just runs flawlessly. I mean, no vibration, just all the power you want. I mean, my foot is just barely touching the accelerator. I mean, it is just lightly feathering the accelerator. This engine is so effortless in moving this car down the road. It's just crazy, man. No wonder these are the best cars ever. Oh, we're coming up on 10 minutes. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all like more videos like this of just silent highway cruising, because I could set it up to film the whole ride sometime if someone enjoys that. Y'all have a good day, weekend, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.